Mom's stuck.
You mean to drive that there through there for you?
What?
Good morning. It is Thanksgiving Day today, and there's no better place to be than Moab. This is our first trip with the Cherokee, and we're gonna see if we can keep up with the red Jeep. Here we go. This late in the year, the sun goes down very quickly. We arrived in Moab a few hours before the sun would set. For our first trail, we needed to do something short. We chose to do a 4x4 trail in Arches National Park that would take us to the Eye of the Well Arch and Tower Arch. Have your photo ID and park pass or payment ready. Give me my phone. Credit cards only. After a 10-minute ride through Arches National Park, we arrived at the trailhead. So we made it to the Eye of the Well Arch, and we're gonna do a little hike out to go see it. And the Cherokee has not broke down yet. So far, so good. Here it is, the Eye of the Well Arch. Come here, sis. Let's go see this. We'll come back. All right, stay there and play in the sand. This arch didn't look that cool from the highway, but it is cool. That's very pretty.
Wait, miss.
That was definitely a pretty cool little arch to see. The Eye of the Well Arch.
I did that without lockers, Beach.
You got bigger tires too. Mom's stuck.
Do you mean to drive that there through there for you?
What?
Do you need me to drive that through there for you?
No.
We made it to Tower Arch. We're gonna go check it out.
I'll cut you. Yeah.
is the Tower Arch. It is big. So we just finished the Tower Arch and we're gonna head out because it's getting dark and it's only 5 o'clock, so we're gonna see if we can go find our Airbnb. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for day 2 of our Moab trip. And thanks for watching.